Hey, I'm Liv, and today we have a double unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Copacetic Cosmetics, I think it's March, and the Allure Beauty Box, and also discussing some changes. So let's get to it. All right. I've been watching some content creators that are awesome, and I will list them down below. Just by the way, in every video, I list my favorite Black and people of color content creators. If you have anyone that you would like to recommend that needs to get some attention, let's spread the word, let's share the love, and share some awesome people. So feel free to comment them, even if it's you too. So I put that in every video, but in this video specifically, I'm going to be putting this one content creator that has been really inspiring me. I'm still trying to process what that means to me, but I know that one of the things it means is that I consume too much. And I think I need to turn my life more towards creating more than consuming more. So things like subscription boxes are kind of grossing me out now. So I'm going to tell you now, I'm not going to be renewing Olfactive. I'm not going to be doing any other subscription box other than potentially Copacetic Cosmetics because it is $10 and that includes shipping. And it's indie, it's woman owned, and they make some really good stuff. So I might be doing this, but I'm going to be focusing more on using the things that I consume. And I also don't necessarily want to make this a low buy or a no buy or pan that thing or whatever. I don't want to make it trending or clickbaity sort of thing that I don't want to spend. I realize that for me, this is not nourishing me. It's not nourishing my soul. And just go watch this content creator. I think that you pronounce her name Jonna Jinton. And if you watched her before, share your feelings down below because I feel like she probably touched you. There is also another content creator that I find astounding and I cannot pronounce her channel name. I believe she's in China and she's like, I think maybe I found Joanna because I found the Chinese one and I think she was recommended to me, but I think she's like country style is her food type. She's a chef and also a creator. So she makes food and she makes things, just beautiful things. And I think it's called country style. And then Joanna is a homesteader, I believe, which is sort of a more natural based way of existing, which is not necessarily the way that I want to exist. I love technology, I love people, I love cities, but it's like it's shaking up the way my mind works and I'm not sure how. It may be weird to you or disturbing that this video that's supposed to be an unboxing is just me blabbing about this stuff, but I don't get a lot of views anyways, so I can do what I want. And I say that because if thousands of people were coming here to watch me unboxing things, then I'd feel like I had a responsibility to give you that. But there are like 3 people coming here, so thank you very much for being here. Hopefully you're okay with me babbling. Do you know what I mean? Like, okay, so let's get to unboxing. I'm not thrilled. I've had this stuff for a couple of days, maybe even a week or 2, and I just haven't wanted to open it. So watch those channels, especially Joanna. There's something in it that broke something in me in a good way, and maybe I'll share more in this video. But anyways, let's open this Allure box. All right, I've been waiting for a while to do an Allure box again. I think my sister got it for me as a present. So I love receiving subscription boxes as presents, and I think they're great presents because it lets someone try a bunch of things and it's a gift that you get with some regularity. Like I recently bought Patrick's son a subscription food box, which he still hasn't received. If you watch my video on Try the World, that was basically the box I got him. Anyways, I think it's a lovely present. So I've been wanting to get this again because I have some really good stuff. Why am I reading this? We don't want to see what's in there. We want to just open it. Let's open, oh, my favorite. This is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It might be Boom Boom, I'm not sure. Either way, I think it's a made up name because it's not actually a Brazilian company, I think. Oh.
Dun dun dun.
Did you see that? Rude. But the stuff smells amazing. If you know my scent aesthetic at all, then you might know that I love tropical stuff. All right, so Brazilian Bum Bum Cream or Boom Boom is such a win. Now we have 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Oh, okay, I think this might have been a little bit of a push for me to get this because I've been using the Timeless Vitamin C Serum for a while, and as soon as I'm done, I kind of would love to switch to something else and try it. So already we've got a couple wins here. We have a large, sort of more ergonomic bottle. I shouldn't have twisted it because you don't want to open it yet. Hopefully it's not open. But anyways, it's opaque, which is what you want with vitamin C because it degrades upon exposure to UV light. So I think that this one-on-one skin is good. We're gonna give it a try, and then I might do a comparison video. I need to do an update on my vitamin C video. Ooh, we have Liziqi lip gloss. I think I like the Liziqi lip gloss. I am wearing my favorite Sephora liquid lipstick in the color African Violet. Sort of along the lines of the sort of thing that broke in me is just doing what feels good and what I feel like. And a lot of the time I wear colorful makeup and crazy makeup because it feels good. And then I woke up today and just didn't feel like it. And so I wore what for me is much more tame makeup. This is a really cool color. It's actually quite similar to my skin tone, if you can't tell. Let's try it on. Why not? Yeah, I like the Liziqi lip formula because it smells good. Ooh, it feels good. I think they might be white label, but I don't mind. It's lip gloss. Feels fine. Okay, let's open this other little box. We have a Clarins Total Eye Lift. I do think that the Allure box is really good for getting a full variety of skincare sort of stuff. Well, not just skincare, makeup as well, but it's a variety of things. It's almost, if you want to build your routine, you could get this box. So this is an eye cream. I'm like, whatever with eye creams. I put moisturizer on my eyes. I don't care. I don't think I've ever bought an eye cream. I always just get them in subscription boxes. So that's another great thing too, because I mean, this amount of product will last you forever. Looks nice enough. Lift Replenishing Total Eye Concentrate. Why is it replenishing? Why is it lifting? What does it have in it? We have water, glycerin, triglycerides, largely humectant and occlusive. So it's a moisturizer, it looks like. Okay, what is this? Ayako London. I think I've tried the eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is such a random little thing, but it's a sharpener and I really need one, and it's for big pencils. Thank you so much, guys. Like, this is such a useful tool. I have a bunch of those little, is it NARS? The NARS lip pencils. They're so good. They're big though, so I haven't been using them because I don't know where my sharpener is. Granted, I have one and I should go find it, but this one has a little closure, so it's not going everywhere. And hopefully it's good. I like that it's ergonomic. What a win. Okay, what do we have? We have a card that's talking about the one-on-one skin. I hear a weird sound. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Here we have a shadow stick. It's a double-sided shadow stick. Oh, this is really cool. So we have a dark, lit swatches on scars. We have a dark side. Oh my goodness, that's really creamy. I hate when I'm all like, I'm not doing this anymore, and then I like stuff and then potentially regret it. But I was thinking of getting a brown eye pencil because I don't have a good one. And now I have two. How nice is that? And this is really nice because you could use it as eyeliner and eyeshadow. And you know what? Let's let that sit for a second and then we'll see if it smudges. Okay, we have two more products. Wow. We have a Rodial. It sounds familiar. Glamour Lash Mascara. Ooh, I don't care. I use Essence Lash Princess. I have non-existent lashes and that's really helpful. So if this works as well as that, then I will use it. But if it's more expensive, then I won't buy it. One final thing, we have a cleanser in a separate bag. Why? Decongesting clay formula crafted with sensitive skin in mind. I tend not to use anything with clay because I have very dry skin and clay tends to absorb moisture for me. Looks nice enough though, so maybe I'll give it a shot on my schnoz or other vaguely oily areas. Cool. Oh yeah, let's check this and see. Let's smudge the bottom. Oh, that really smudged easily. Okay, so maybe it's more shadow than eyeliner, but maybe we'll check in on it later. It literally smudged away completely. Whatever. I think this was actually a great haul. I really like it. I actually kind of like that this lip gloss is completely nude. Feels fine enough, although I'm wearing liquid lipstick underneath, which always makes me nervous. Okay, now let us open an indie bag. Wait, I'm reading the booklet thingy that came with this Allure box. How do you make a smoky eye look naturally messed up as opposed to a train wreck? This multitasking pencil is an excellent start. Oh, it's Ayeko and the sharpener came with it. That's delightful, actually. Thank you very much. That's excellent. Easily blendable shades really shine when paired together. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a whole eye look with them. I actually do think that's a beautifully smoky eye and it looks good on blue and brown eyes. So apparently this lip gloss color is called Vibe, pale pinkish neutral. $16? I don't think so. $45? I don't think so. I actually bought their spray. They had it on sale for like $9 because they were reformulating the Coco Cabana scent because everyone else thought that it smelled like popcorn. I did not, so bonus for me. All right, let's open this. Okay, look. Also, if you have a YouTuber who made you reevaluate or question your entire way of being in a good way, share them down below. My friend said maybe it's a midlife crisis, but I feel like I've my entire life had a crisis of self in which I'm like, is this the right thing? Who am I? What is going on? What is life? What is the meaning of everything? I've never been able to figure it out. I've never known what direction I'm moving in. I just sort of move in directions and I'm like, this is okay here. And then I move in another direction. I'm like, I don't like this. What's this like? All right, let's see what's in here. Once again, they give us this cute little opalescent pearly sort of thingy. It's so pretty and yet I feel like I should use it for something. Ooh-wee. Okay, so we have the $10 subscription, which is wonderful. And I'm thrilled because we have a matte. We have a matte green. I haven't been getting a lot of mattes from Copacetic Cosmetics, so this is delightful. And man, I was thrilled with the last matte that I got from them. Oh no, it's not a matte. Bugger. It's like a satin. And it's a shade that I have a lot of because clearly I love green. It's actually my hair color. It's literally my hair color. Should we swatch on my forehead? Yeah, let's do it. Let's see. How does this look next to my hair? That's spot on. Actually looks really nice. Let's zoom in quickly. 100%. If you're interested, this is a mixture of peacock green and mermaid blue by Joico. And then you will get the Entangled, very hair focused eyeshadow from Copacetic Cosmetics. That's so funny. That's so funny. At least it looks like it for me. I think I'm right. I think I'm right that that's 100% hair match. All right, let's swatch on scars. Okay, so this is actually performing beautifully. Their shadow has been so iffy to me that I don't always trust it, but geez, I put that brown all over. Let's swatch underneath it. Let's go there. Ooh, ooh, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I like that a great deal. Wow, I tend to like thicker, chunky, sort of creamy shimmers, but that's just a beautiful sheen. That's excellent. Okay, we have a highlighter, I believe. The last highlighter that I got was not good. I could barely use it, unfortunately. Oh, whoa. This is called Coiling Vines, and that's absolutely beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? See, I do feel that this subscription is quite magical. Like, it's different every time. There's an imprint of leaves, and this formula is completely different. It's a green gold sheen, and then icy cold. So it's like icy cold, gold, then green. This is really weird. Whoa. I don't know if this is a highlighter or an eyeshadow, but this formula is really interesting. Remember what I said about chunky creamy? Okay, sorry to flip you off, but that's what's happening. Okay, and we're gonna swatch it right over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. That's shocking. That's really shocking. We're gonna put that on right now. Once again, we're gonna use this brush that is probably not a highlighter brush, but I think this is a highlighter. Oh, it says press highlighter. I do think that this is made for a deeper skin tone than mine, which is quite nice. Like, actually, do I get to select my skin tone? Do we get to select our skin tones? I should find out and I'll let you know, but I think this could work for many skin tones. My goodness. I'm gonna go downstairs and look so nuts after this. Oh, that's so fun. Whoa, can you see that? This isn't even my favorite brush. Wow. With my green stripe. Should have done it warrior paint style or something. Let's do a nose buff and see if that can show you the sheen. I like that. I like it. We're going with it. What? It's Saturday night and I'm done for the day and I'm home. So this is how we're gonna look. That's gorgeous. That is molten. That's gorgeous. I would love this in pink, blue, purple. Pink, blue, and purple. Yeah, that would be amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Well done. Jeez. Let's zoom back out. And that's zoomed in. But look at that. Look at my nose. How shiny is my nose? Don't look at my pores, but that is very impressive. Okay, and now we have a nail polish and a lip product. For $10, I love this. This is fantastic. So the lip product that we have is a deep green liquid lipstick. We haven't had one of those. It's called Fester. We're putting that on right now. African violet coming off of my hands. Actually, I have makeup remover here. So you saw what it looked like. That was beautiful. Let's get the stuff off now. Okay, I've not perfectly removed my lipstick, but this is a very dark green. So let's see how this looks. I'm doing this on the monitor, so this looks so cool with my hair. This is really hard to do. Okay. I don't think this is the best liquid lipstick formula because oftentimes I can just like sploosh a bunch on my bottom lip and then smush my lips together and then it stays well. But it's, it's setting. It's setting quite hard now. You can feel that. But can you see there's like gaps where my lips are showing through? So not amazing, but it's okay. We're just trying out this color and I think this color is really fun. Okay, and then the final thing is we have a nail polish and this looks gorgeous. So we're gonna swatch it. It is, I'm not sure if you can see anything really, but it's a multi-chrome green to purple, which is one of my favorite combinations. This month was made for me. It's beautiful. This would have been a good month to go full size, but this actually looks navy to green to purple, which is wow. I wonder if this will come up at all. Not really. I'm sure if you do a bunch of coats, perhaps that would show up better. Anyways, I look very different than when we started. I like it. This is fun. Like I said before, I'm not doing this Allure box thing again, but I am glad that I got a couple things that I can use, and especially the vitamin C that I can compare to my Timeless. Go look at the YouTubers that I put down below. Tell me what you think. Share your favorites. Even your favorite books or movies or things that have changed you deeply. I'm quite sure that 2020 and the transition into 2021 is an opportunity for a great deal of self-reflection for many people. So feel free to reflect with me. Yeah. And I'm not sure entirely what content we're going to be bringing here. I mean, some of it I'm sure will be the same, consumption oriented, but maybe I'll do something different too. Maybe I'll bring you some maker content or whatever. I did in the beginning really try to focus on creating stuff. I did tutorials, I did color picker playtime, which I really love. And it's more about playing with color, learning our faces, learning to have fun and that it doesn't matter. It's not serious. Makeup is fun. You can wash it off. It's all fun. So that was more of what I focus on, but those things are more time consuming to do and get less watches. So I guess I've like adjusted my content for more watches, and that's something that grosses me out too. Because I mean, to be honest, there's not many people watching anyways, which is okay, but I don't necessarily want to make content just because it's something that people might be searching for. So even this vitamin C thing, I know that people are searching for this, but does it matter? Will it enrich life? I don't know. I do like helping my friends and the people around me make educated decisions. I like educating myself about things like that. But I guess it's also evaluating what is a necessary decision to make. What products do we actually need in our lives? I don't know. I'm still working it out. Anyways, thanks for joining me for this weird, different sort of video. If you are here and actually watched this weirdness, could you please leave me the weirdest emoji you could find? That would be really fun. If you didn't watch this weirdness, I don't blame you. It's okay. And if you have suggestions for other weirdness that you'd love to see, let me know, because maybe that'll be my kind of weird. And if it's not, I probably won't do it because that's just not the vibe I'm feeling at the moment. I kind of want to do what I want, and I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna go do what I want, which is go eat Arctic Zero and watch a silly movie. So wherever you are, I hope you're having the best day that you possibly can. Be kind to the people around you. Thank you so much for hanging out.